Well, here we are all hooked up and ready to go. We got lucky with the weather. Looks like it's going to be good all the way through to Jasper and beyond. So, should have fun today. Well, the weather started out nice. Not so good anymore. Finally cleared the storm. We're just coming out of Hinton now, and we can see the mountains up ahead. Some pretty tense moments in that storm. We thought we might be staying overnight in Hinton. It's cleared up now. Well, here we are parked at a service station in Valemont. The weather was absolutely brutal that we came through last night from Jasper to Valemont. Some places you only had one track. Some places they were chaining up. I was trying to get through it with summer tires. Made it, but it was touch and go. At any rate, the forecast is for a snowstorm now, so we're not going to go any further till that sorts itself out. I'll show you Valemont, or the little bit of Valemont that we can see from here. Here's the service station we're at. I guess a lot of truckers come in. When we stayed here last night, there were 4 or 5 trucks parked with us. So I just want to refueled up. So we're ready to sit here for days if we have to, I guess. Better driving conditions now. Typical mountain driving. This is pretty along here. We're about 10 minutes out of Clearwater. Probably stop and stay the night there. Well, we caught up to John and Gail at Clearwater, so the road wasn't too bad after that one little bit of washboard that we had to go about 15K through. And here's where we are. There. Now you guys can chit chat.
Oh, have you got it on movie?
Yes.
See, I don't know how to do that yet. Well, they just had a trip from hell down the highway of hell.
Yeah, we're finally out of the mountains and into the nice straight road, or more or less straight. I see Lower Mainland here is still in fall colors. Hopefully we can catch up with John and Gail at Chilliwack. It's our next stop. About 30 more kilometers to go. Well, we made it to Chilliwack. That's the Walmart over there, but it's a really small Walmart. Parking lot was pretty much full. So we're going to take our luck at Zeller's. Their parking lot isn't quite so full. Okay, we made it to our destination at Campers World. It almost looks like they're in the end of the fall season here. It's pretty nice weather. You still need a jacket. It's a little chilly. When the sun's out, it's really nice. Well, there's where we're going to take the truck in, or the motorhome in, to have the washer dryer put in. But we have to wait another day. And incidentally, we're at Burlington, Washington here. We'll turn into the sun, it's going to get crappy. And all the way around, there's another guy parked here. We're kind of in what I call an overload area. They have parking stalls for RVs at this place, but we didn't get lucky enough to get one. There's a couple, but they're really tight to get into, so we decided we're just as well off here. just left Burlington, going south on I-5. Girls are wanting us to stop at an outlet. So we're watching for that exit. Okay, we got to the outlet mall. Girls went in there for a couple hours. These outlet malls are kind of like Disneyland for older girls, I guess. So we'll probably sit here for a little while yet and then move on. Well, here we are at Rochester, Washington. We have about 3 hours to go to get to that cheese factory thing on the Oregon coast. And but there's quite a rainstorm predicted for today as you get to the coast, so I'm wanting to stay another night here, but I don't know if I'm going to get away with that. Hopefully. So weather's pretty good here, but it's supposed to be not so good where we're headed, so we'll see how the day goes. We're gonna have tree limbs stuck in the air conditioning unit, I think. Well, we tried to turn around, or John tried to turn around. We just about got her tipped over here, so the girls are trying to get a hold of AMA. Turns out this road has got a washout. She's on the phone. Well, here's where we made it to last night after we got towed out of the ditch. Absolutely pitch black. We were driving, pouring driving rain. We had to go about, well, I guess 25 miles. And it had to take probably an hour for us to get here. Now we stopped at this little town where there's a we're right on the ocean front. So I'm gonna walk down and take some pictures of the ocean.
Are you taking video now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Then I want you to take some stills, or give me the camera and I'll take stills.
Yeah, let's see if we can pick up this ocean. There's some pretty enormous breakers going on out there. But you probably can't get a sense of them with the video. They gotta be, I would bet in some places 40 feet high.
We're going swimming.
Are you? Those are going swimming.
Oh, I was going to say.
This little town is really cool. Lots of interesting little shops. We're parked way down at the end of this road. Okay, we're finally at a place where we can camp for a few days. This is about 6 miles south of, I think it's called Tillamook, where the cheese factory is. I'll just sweep around here. Girls are up there catching up on the laundry. This facility has everything: sewer dump, electric hookup, water, even looks like about 50 TV channels, so we should be able to keep entertained for a while. Got a lot of sightseeing to do.